Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about something that is very important, and it also affects a lot of women. Now of course, until and unless you do not get it yourself, you really will not understand how much it affects a person's confidence or how much it brings you down. Of course, I'm talking about acne. Now, as much as it affects your confidence and brings you down, I also want to let you know that you're not alone and it's not the end of the world. You can definitely get it treated with the right skincare, right diet. You can definitely control your acne. Now, there are different kinds of acne. A lot of people get it on their forehead. A lot of people get it during their periods. But one particular type that I think is very difficult to deal with is hormonal acne. And this usually happens when there is a hormonal imbalance, so your skin starts producing extra oil and sebum, and then that results in inflammation. And mostly, if you want to find out whether you have hormonal acne, you should realize that the hormonal acne is usually placed on the lower half of your face, jawline, chin, and it is usually there's a lot of inflammation and it hurts. And with the right skincare, you can definitely learn how to control it. Now, there are a lot of factors that cause hormonal acne. A lot of my friends who have PCOS suffer from a lot of acne on their skin. Now, I myself have stage 4 endometriosis, and I'm one of those people that did not have a lot of acne. Of course, I do get breakouts during my periods and few days after my periods, but it's nothing too much. But I also know a lot of people who deal with a lot of acne and it really brings them down. Now, a lot of factors like stress, your sleep cycle, poor diet, unhealthy lifestyle, all these things contribute to hormonal imbalance, and that is why I think that when you have hormonal acne, it is very difficult to deal with it, but it is not impossible. Now, of course, when we were younger, we didn't have a lot of options because companies didn't come out with a lot of products. There weren't a lot of brands, but now a lot of brands are coming out with skincare for hormonal acne. But I have one problem with that, is that if you do not use the right ingredients, it can dry out your skin too much, which results in more acne, because when your skin dries out, your skin naturally wants to produce more oil to keep it moisturized. And that's why it's always important to use a brand that not only helps get rid of your acne, but also keeps the moisture of your skin. And that's where Karmisi comes into picture, because Karmisi, first of all, as a brand, is curated for women. They are very careful about their ingredients. But in this particular range, which is specially made for hormonal acne, they've used some amazing ingredients that really help your skin without stripping your skin's moisture. It has salicylic acid. It also has shatavari, which is a Ayurvedic herb, and you do not see these Ayurvedic herbs in a lot of other brands except for Karmisi. Now, to introduce this range to you, this particular range has all the products you will need to help you get rid of your hormonal acne. They have the foaming face wash, they have the pore clarifying toner, blemish reducing serum, soothing moisturizer, and acne spot corrector. So you will not need to use any other products from any other brand, because this particular range has everything you need to get your desired results. Now, keep in mind that this particular range is specially formulated for women with hormonal acne, and it is made with gentle ingredients, so it's extremely gentle on your skin, but it is also so effective that it actually helps you to get rid of your hormonal acne. Now, all of these products include salicylic acid, which is 100% plant-based, unlike the other market products who have chemical-based salicylic acid. So this really helps in treating acne, reduces inflammation, and helps in cell renewal, and is also extremely gentle on your skin. It also has the Ayurvedic herb shatavari, which naturally helps maintaining hormonal balance and fights the stress-caused acne on skin. Niacinamide helps control excess oil production, clears clogged pores, and helps in fading dark spots, and shea butter helps keep your skin moisturized. Now, in this entire range, there's one product that really stands out for me and I really like, is this acne spot corrector from Karmisi. And I think this is one product that if you want to, you can carry around in your pocket, because it is just so cute and so easy to use. Now, one thing that I really like about this is that if you have these breakouts during your periods especially, and it's 1 or 2 here and there, you can actually spot treat it, and you just have to apply a little bit before you go to sleep, and next day you will wake up and you will see that the redness has reduced, the inflammation has reduced. And another thing that this does is getting rid of acne is fine, but you don't want that acne to leave a mark. So you want products that will treat the acne as well and reduce the mark also. So this has ingredients that really help you with that. So this whole range is pretty simple to use. Now, if you are going to use the entire range, you use your face wash, then you go ahead with your toner, then you can use your serum, you can use your moisturizer, and if you have 1 or 2 breakouts here and there during that time of the month, you can just use your acne spot corrector. Now, a lot of times people who have acne think that they should not moisturize their skin, but that is not true. You definitely need moisturizer. Every skin type needs moisturizer, but it is very important to use a moisturizer that will really suit your skin, but also give it the benefit of reducing your acne, and the Karmisi moisturizer does that. So even if you have oily skin or extremely acne prone skin, make sure to always moisturize your skin. I will leave the links to all these products in the description box for you guys to check out. Also, if I have a coupon code, I will leave it for you on the screen and in the description box. Karmisi is also having a sale going on. I will leave all the details to the sale on the screen and in the description box for you guys to check it out. Now, while you are doing all of this, it is also very important for you to get exercise in, to control your diet, especially if you can cut out dairy and sugar. That really helps with your inflammation. And remember one thing, I understand it is very, very difficult to deal with acne, no matter what kind of acne it is, but remember that you are not alone. We are all in this together, and no matter what, a lot of times we think acne is related to just women, but I know a lot of men who have severe acne and who go through a lot of issues because of it. So no matter what your gender is, you can definitely use these products to get rid of your acne. And remember, with acne or without acne, you are absolutely beautiful, and you are just perfect the way you are. And I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye. Thank you.